Welcome back. In the previous lesson, we saw how unpredictability keeps attention engaged. Small variations reactivate focus and create anticipation. Now we move further, because not all variation is the same. When variation becomes inconsistent, something stronger appears. And here's the question guiding this lesson. Why does inconsistency feel more powerful than stability, even when it creates tension? Stability creates calm. When attention is consistent, the emotional experience becomes steady. You know what to expect. You feel grounded. There are fewer surprises. And while this feels comfortable, it also reduces intensity. The emotional range stays narrow. Now look at what inconsistency adds. Contrast. One moment feels connected, the next feels distant. One moment feels clear, the next feels uncertain. These shifts create emotional movement, and that movement increases intensity. When something changes, you feel it more. A warm interaction followed by absence feels sharper than constant warmth. A delayed response feels stronger after quick replies. The difference between moments amplifies the experience, and that amplification feels like stronger emotion. Inconsistency creates something unresolved. You try to understand it, you try to predict it, you try to stabilize it, and that effort keeps your attention engaged. Not because the interaction is stable, but because it is not. Compare two experiences. One is stable and predictable. The other shifts between presence and absence. The second one feels more intense, more memorable. Not because it is better, but because the emotional range is wider. You see this everywhere. In relationships, inconsistent attention creates stronger emotional reactions than steady presence. In communication, mixed signals hold attention longer than clear ones. In social dynamics, unpredictable behavior becomes more noticeable. In each case, inconsistency creates intensity. So return to the question. Why does inconsistency feel stronger than stability? Over the next few days, notice it feels intense. Not what is steady, but what shifts, what changes, what creates emotional contrast. Because intensity often feels like importance, even when it is created by inconsistency. In the next lesson, we move into something even more direct, how emotional spikes begin to create a book.